Hello class, how are you all? I have completed lesson cell. So I am going to explain question answers of this lesson. So first of all, the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So students, you have studied about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. And you can do easily here also, as what we will discuss in difference size, chromosome, membrane, nuclear region. So if we know these things of both the cells, then we can do difference easily. As prokaryotic cell size 1 to 10 micrometer and eukaryotic 5 to 100, means which cell is big? Eukaryotic. And do you know what is the value of micro? So 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power 6 minus 6 meter. So you should know the value of micro also, because this question come in MCQs. Next is nuclear region. So you should know the nuclear region of both the cells. So what should we know? First of all, size of cell. Then nuclear region. So in prokaryotic cell, nuclear region undefined, means not clear due to the absence of nuclear membrane. What is not present in this? Nuclear membrane, and is known as nucleoid. So what we will call the nucleus without nuclear membrane? Nucleoid. So first of all size, then nuclear membrane not present, so that it is called nucleoid. In eukaryotic cell, nuclear region well defined and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. So in which cell nuclear region is well defined? Eukaryotic cell. Chromosome single in prokaryotic cell and more than one chromosome present in eukaryotic cell. Membrane bound cell organelles absent, means the cell organelles that are present in prokaryotic cell, they are without cell membrane. And eukaryotic cell organelles as mitochondria, Golgi bodies and chloroplast are present membrane bound cell. So from starting I want to explain prokaryotic and eukaryotic class. So you will learn also, this question is very much important, always come in exam and test also. So first of all, prokaryotic cell, the size is, prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 micrometer, and you should know the value of micro. And eukaryotic cell size of cell is 5 to 100. Then after nuclear region, so nuclear region is not well defined because nuclear membrane is absent, so that they are called nucleoid. In eukaryotic cell, nuclear region is well defined, surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Chromosome single, here chromosomes are more. Membrane bound cell organelles absent, and here membrane bound cell organelles are present, such as mitochondria and Golgi bodies, chloroplast, etc. Next, can you name the two organelles we have studied that contain their own genetic material? So I have explained you this very carefully, because I know this question will come in your exercise and NCERT backside questions also. So the cell organelles are mitochondria and plastids that have their own genetic material, means own DNA and ribosome. What do you mean by genetic material? Own DNA and ribosome. So which cell organelles have their own genetic material? Mitochondria and plastids. If the organization of a cell is destroyed due to some physical or chemical influence, so what will happen? So I have explained you before when I was explaining lysosomes. So if you have read lysosomes very carefully, so you can give answer here. So if the organization of a cell is destroyed, if cell will destroyed, then what will happen? It will stop performing basic functions. What we will do? We will write answer very much carefully because we have read this earlier also. So when the organization of a cell destroyed, the cell will stop performing basic functions such as respiration, breathing, food taking and releasing out. So it will ultimately die. Lysosome present inside the cell will burst, and these lysosome release a digestive enzyme which will digest own cell. So I am explaining this again. If the organization of a cell will destroy, then cell will stop performing basic functions and cell will die. And the lysosome that is present inside the cell release enzyme, that is digestive enzyme, and this lysosome digest own cell. So lysosomes are also called suicidal bag. Suicide bag. Why lysosomes are known as suicide bag? Given again, lysosomes are membrane bound sacs filled with powerful digestive enzyme. So lysosomes have membrane and filled with very strong digestive enzyme. If a cell gets damaged, if any cell will gets damaged, then what we will help? Lysosome rust and enzyme present in them digest their own cell. Hence, lysosomes are called the suicide bags of a cell. So, what happened? The digestive enzyme that is present in the lysosome will release and digest own cell, and it is called suicide bag of the cell. Where are proteins synthesized inside the cell? So I have explained this also earlier. Proteins are synthesized in the ribosomes that are attached to the surface of a rough endoplasmic reticulum or lie freely in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are also called protein factories of the cell. So who synthesized the? So in the cell where protein synthesized? In ribosomes. Now next question, make a comparison and write down the ways in which plant cell and animal cell difference between plant cell and animal cell. So animal cell are generally small in size and plant cells are large in size. A cell wall is absent in animal cell. So animal cells are generally small in size, animal cell, and plant cell large in size. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Which is not present in animal cell? Cell wall. Cell wall is the outer structure of the cell, and plant cell wall is present. Many small vacuoles are present in an animal cell, and plant cell a large vacuole is present. Plastids are present in animal cell, and plastids are not present in animal cell, and in plant cell plastids are present. So I am going to explain this again. Animal cells are small in size and plant cells big in size, large in size. Animal cell have not cell wall and plant cells have cell wall. Animal cells, in animal cell vacuoles are small and in plant cell vacuoles are big. Plastids are not present in animal cell, and in plant cells are in plastids are present. In plant cells plastids are present. So my dear students, you will learn all these question answers because I will give these questions in your test. So you will learn these answers. Thank you very much.